Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this bronzed look with a berry lip, like a berry lip stain, lip balm. It's coming out with more of a orangish reddish undertone. On camera it is more berry. In person, where is the berry lipstick that I used? Where is it? It had fallen on the floor. So I used this Burt's Bees lip shimmer in the shade Plum. Like you can see in person, it looks more like plummy berry than it does on camera. Anyways, I got inspired by the beautiful Emily Noel. She was doing a video on lippies for a summertime, and she had mentioned what would be a beautiful combo would be a berry lip stain with like a golden look. You think dark lips, more fall, Christmas, but can totally work for summer. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. For my foundation today, I'm going to use the Covergirl Outlast Extreme Wear 3-in-1 foundation. So it's full coverage and 24-hour wear. This is a primer, concealer, and foundation in one for naturally flawless finish. So I love this foundation. I talked about it before. It's fuller coverage, but it doesn't feel like that. It feels really lightweight on your skin. So just gonna go in and dab this on. I don't know if I'll say it in the intro, if I said it in the intro, but I got this idea of the makeup look from watching Emily Noel's channel. She was doing a lipstick, lip balm, lip products for summertime, and she had talked about doing what would be a really nice look would be doing a flush like berry lip with a really bronzed makeup look. So bronzed eyes, bronze, tan glow, and then having like that just muted, subtle berry lip. And I was like, that would be so pretty. I want to try that combo out. So I haven't tried it out, so I'm going to try it out today. But I went and picked up, where is it? Maybe I don't have it up here. I'll grab it. I went and picked up a lip shimmer from Burt's Bees, and it's in the shade Plum. So like it's a berry color, but it's called Plum. And yeah, I wanted to see how that would look on me. I don't usually go for darker lip shades on me or like berry colors, but I feel like doing a bronze golden look with that like could totally work out. And I'll just overline my lips anyways when I put on the lip shine, because I find that with darker colors it also makes your lips look smaller. Alright, so I just went in with my favorite drugstore concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I have it in the shade Light. I feel like this is like a nice, just light to medium, creamy finish concealer, and I love this. Out of everything that I've tried from the drugstore in the past couple years, this is definitely my favorite. So Euro Cup soccer has started. So excited to watch. Like hockey's gonna be wrapping up soon, so and my team's out, so it's like the excitement is gone. So now we have soccer to watch, which is awesome. My husband is Italian, so it's exciting to be able to cheer for the team. When my oldest son was born, Italy actually won the World Cup, so that was kind of that was a momentous occasion. We did like a little car parade, and yeah, it was exciting. So Euro Cup World Cup. It's always fun. I love watching soccer in the summertime, and now that we have the TV outside and the pool up, I think it'll just be really fun just to hang out there and watch. So I'm going to go in with the Wonder Stick from NYX. I have been loving this. It's just nice and creamy and light, blends in so well, and I just want to bronze myself up a little bit more. I love it for lining my lips. I think it's like the perfect lip liner, just to kind of add a nice shadow that just gives you the appearance of bigger lips. Because it's already getting hot and humid out and we are going to be golfing later on this evening, I'm going to set my under eye a little bit, so I'm just going in with the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. We had a couple days of just like torrential downpour, like thunder and lightning, like every time it rained. My Chihuahua, she's afraid of the thunder, so she'll just follow me around everywhere, and she just gets so nervous and shaky. And it's so funny because my black lab, who's afraid of everything, she's afraid, there she is in the background, you kind of just breathe and she startles herself. Like anything you do, like she's just afraid of everything. Thunder and lightning don't affect her. She doesn't care. And the Chihuahua, who will take on anyone and anywhere, is like so nervous. Alright, let's go in with my favorite bronzer at the moment, which is the Balm's Bahama Mama. I just kind of did a first impressions video on this in one of my one of the recent videos that I uploaded. I tried this out and I absolutely love it. The pigment on this, gotta be light-handed for sure. And it's just like the perfect neutral bronze tone between like reddish golden but like neutral undertones. It's so good. And it just has like a nice smoothing finish to it as well. So I just want to get real bronzy. For my eyes, I'm going to go in with my Natasha Denona little mini glam palette. I haven't used this in a long time, so I'm just going to use these tones to give myself a bronzed eye look. Oh yay, I got to go into Walmart today and it was so nice to like be able to shop for whatever. All the non-essential aisles were open and I was so worried that like it was going to be crazy busy in there, because yesterday when everything opened, and I'm sure it is like at other stores just because Walmart has been open this whole time, but there was like crazy lineups everywhere. Like I think people waited probably like, and I'm in a smaller town, like in the bigger cities like Toronto and that whole area, the lineups were even crazier. But I think to get into Winners here, it was probably like 2 to 3 hours. Maybe not, I don't know, I wasn't there, but the lines were really long. And so I was worried this morning that when I went, it was going to be crazy, because it's a Saturday too. But they weren't. I got in and out. There was no lines and it wasn't busy. I'm just going to take this neutral shade right here and put it under my eye as well. Now I'm going to take the darker color. Do they have names? Yes. I don't know if it's Harlow or Seed. I don't know the way. I don't know the way to look at this on this palette. Meh. Anyways, I'm going in with the darker brown. Really doesn't matter. You could use whatever neutral, warm, golden palette that you want to anyways. So I'm just going to use a really skinny brush, flat brush, and just keep it to the outer V. And it's getting lost in my crease, so I'm just going to come up a little bit more up onto my brow bone. And I'll blend this out. I just like to use like a skinny brush just to kind of get the placement. All right, so I'm just gonna buff that up and out. I'm gonna take a flat brush and go in with the darker of the golden shades. Let's see how much I can pick up with this. And I'm just gonna pat that on the lid. I'm gonna go in with some white on my waterline and just see how that looks. I just kind of want to see, I just want to kind of brighten it up a bit. Sometimes I think using white on your waterline just kind of makes that smokiness pop a little bit more. So I'm just going to go in again with the light taupe color and just kind of buff it out. I was using this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Micro Ink pen as a liner before, so I'm going to do that again. And just stick to my lash line because I'm not going to put anything, I'm not going to tightline just because the black would just wash out the white that I've put there. Alright, I love how the eye look turned out. Just popped on some of my Dior mascara, and now I'm going to go in with the Tower 28 bronzer, and I'm just going to pop that on my cheekbones just to add more bronze going on. So we're just going to put it up on the temples. And I'll buff this through with a brush after as well. All right, we got a nice we got a nice bronzed look going on. So I did already kind of line my lips a bit. And I think for me, no matter what color I'm using, red, orange, blue, purple, whatever's going on my lips, I like to line it with my neutrals first. Let me see, where is my, yeah, I'm just going to kind of line them a little bit more with my Annabelle taupe brow pencil because it's a brow pencil. It's cooler, so I just think it works better when you're kind of just wanting to create a natural shadow on your lips. All right, so here is the Burt's Bees. Yeah, it's in the shade Plum, and there is, like, it's with peppermint oil. I didn't read the packaging, so there is a little bite to it, but it goes away. So I wasn't expecting that when I put it on. I'm like, oh no, I don't want this to be a lip tingler, but the peppermint oil just subsides after. So let's swatch it on our hand. Nice, pretty lip stain. It smells really good and refreshing for like summertime. And this, I feel like it's not as, oops, intimidating as using a really dark color, like a really dark lipstick. Yes, why did I have to mess up there? Yes, this is such a good combo. Berry, lip, bronzed face. So good for summer. I'll probably have this out closer to mid-July, so I feel like this is the time. Mid-July to August. The heat, the dog days of summer. You want to look glowy bronzed and have a berry lip. Like, it comes out on camera, it's looking like a little bit more of an orangish undertone. In real life, it's more berry. Like, it looks more like that. But I am living for this. I love it. Emily Noel. Yes, your vision was so on point. I can't wait. She'll probably do it on her channel. So I'll link Emily's channel as I always do when I mention any other YouTube creator that inspires me. So this is the final look. I hope you guys try recreating this at home. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys all have a fabulous day, weekend, whatever it may be, evening, morning, mid-afternoon, and I will see you guys again soon.